It's no news that hay fever can make you sneeze. But why? For that story, we have to get the scoop on pollen. Pollen is released into the air by trees, grasses, and weeds during pollination. It's in the air we breathe and is usually harmless, unless you have a pollen allergy or hay fever. In this case, pollen can make you sneeze. Here's how. When pollen gets in your nose, it creates irritation. The immune system mistakes pollen for invading germs. This triggers the release of chemicals like histamine, which alert the brain a sneeze is needed to force the pollen out. If you inhale more pollen with each new breath, you'll continue to sneeze. Think of sneezing as a warning that you're breathing in a high concentration of pollen. The short-term solution is to get out of that environment. But over the long term, it's best to figure out the types of pollen you're allergic to, and if possible, remove the sources. That's the scoop on why pollen makes you sneeze. And the more you know about your allergies, the better you'll understand your condition. Try ZYRTEC for powerful allergy relief and get savings at ZYRTEC.com.